Hello and thank you for watching this video. Today we're going to take a look at this Hansgrohe pressure balance trim S, and this is in brushed nickel. So let's take a look at what's inside the box before you install it. It is recommended to install it with a professional does come with instructions with different models here. Different languages. How to install it. So this is what you'll see on your wall. This doesn't feel too bad. It does have the name brand here, and it has a 0 and then hot on this side, so I'll take a picture and post it on there as well. You have a tool. So here's your handle. It looks really nice. It has a very nice finish. It's heavy too. You have some hardware here. For your installation. Some of it either got out the box or it was in there loose. But anyway, and it has a sign that says up. This is where the water goes in and out, hot and cold. And basically this is going behind your wall. This goes on your side of the wall. Like that. And I'll take a couple of pictures closer so you can look at the finish, but it does look very attractive. It has a very nice finish. So I hope it helps you to understand what you're getting when you're buying this piece. It looks as good, well constructed, but once it's installed by my plumber, then I'll put the review on. Thank you for watching and enjoy.